In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into TikTok websites using the QR code from the TikTok app. So what you'll need to do is simply open your browser, whatever browser you want, and simply go to tiktok.com. Once you do so, you should find yourself taken to TikTok. And what you'll need to do is simply go to the top right corner and make sure to click on login. Once you do so here, you'll have to click on use the QR code. Once you do so here, you'll find the QR code. As you can see, you'll have to scan it with your mobile device camera and confirm login or sign up. If you go to your TikTok on mobile, as an example, what you will need to do to scan it is simply go to your profile first. Once you are here, you'll have to click on the three lines at the top right corner, and here you'll find my QR code. So once you click on it, they will show you your QR code. But we don't care about that. What you'll need to do is simply click on the icon at the top right corner again, as you can see right here. Once you click on it, this will open your camera, and you'll basically have to scan it using your phone, scan the QR code that you have, and you should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.